Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you where to find recycled bin or trash in your Facebook, okay? First things first, you need to be in your Facebook. Just have to simply search for facebook.com in any browser such as Google Chrome, and then once you're here, you just have to simply locate your account or this account icon here to just have to click that and then go to settings and privacy and then go to settings. Once you're here, go to the left side of your screen and then just simply scroll down to find activity log. Okay, so the thing about activity log is it contains about the post that you have just created, likes and other interactions, activity you're tagged in your groups, and the videos that you watch and more. Okay, let's scroll down to find trash. Okay, here. Here we can see the trash. Okay, so don't be confused about archive and trash because archive has something to do with the post archive and the story archive, meaning that archive has something to do with the post that you have just in archive. So you can restore that if you want to, but here in the trash, those posts that you put in the trash will not be restored anymore. I mean, you can restore that, but it will be deleted after 30 days. So make sure that if you want to restore a post, make sure that it is not after. You just have to make sure that that is within 30 days, okay? Because that will be deleted forever, okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.